Out of 632 samples tested over the last 24 hours, 25 people have tested positive for coronavirus disease. This brings the total number of those who have tested positive to 607. This number is growing, as you can see, and we must do all that we can to stop it from escalating. Fellow Kenyans, from this number, 22 are Kenyans, 1 a Ugandan, 1 a Tanzanian, and 1 a Chinese national. Distribution of these cases is as follows. 17 are from Nairobi, 2 from Wajir, 2 from Kajiado County, and 1 each from Mombasa, Migori, Isiolo, and Nakuru. Isiolo now becomes the latest county to record a COVID-19 case. This brings to 18 the number of counties so far affected. Cases from Nairobi are spread in the following estates. Eastleigh is again leading with 9, Kawangware 2, Parklands 2, Riruta 1, South Sea 1, Umoja 1, and Juja Road 1. The 1 case in Mombasa, and that's good news to see that we have picked up only 1 case in Mombasa this time, is from Likoni, while that of Nakuru is from Solai. The age range is from 8 years for the youngest to 73 years for the oldest. And in terms of gender, 21 are males and 4 are females. It's a pattern that we have seen repeat itself, more males than females. On a positive note, we have today recorded an additional 7 new discharges or recoveries. This brings the total number of those who have recovered from the disease to 197. We have lost 3 other patients. 2 are from Nairobi, while 1 is from Mombasa. This now brings to 29 the number of people lost to this disease. As I conclude, I want to inform you that the government has made plans to evacuate Kenyans who had traveled to India for treatment. I think when the measures of travel were put in place, we had a number of Kenyans who had sought treatment in India being held up there. The government has now made arrangements for their return. They are expected to land this evening at JKIA, and staff from the Ministry of Health will be available there to facilitate their arrival and their subsequent self-quarantine within their homes. If you recall, the Cabinet Secretary yesterday said that these Kenyans who are coming back from treatment in India will be quarantined in their homes under the supervision of their doctors.